Yeah, hi everybody. Welcome to the Cadence demo on the Hi-Fi DSP use cases here. We have partnered with one of our premier partners called Fraunhofer here, and we are demoing the Hi-Fi DSP application of their algorithms. So here we have the three demos. The first one is a spatialization demo, where you have a headphone that typically receives stereo audio, and stereo audio may sound flat just because it's two channels. And so what their algorithm does on the Hi-Fi DSP is it takes the stereo audio and creates a three-dimensional audio sound field that then appears like a sound sound stage in front of the listener. So you're wearing headsets and you're receiving stereo audio, but you're actually perceiving multi-channel and spatial audio all around yourself. So it's a great enhancement to the listening experience on this one here. So this is, again, our partner Fraunhofer, who has integrated that on the Hi-Fi 5 DSP. The second demo over here is a listening or speaking enhancement, microphone enhancement. So when you're communicating with somebody else on the remote side for a phone call or a voice a conference, etc., there you want to make sure that the audio sounds very clear. So you basically want the ambient sound, the noise around you, to get cancelled out, whereas you want the other person to hear a very clear audio of your voice only. And similarly, when you receive from the other side, you want to make sure that the audio from that side is clean. So up here again is Fraunhofer's algorithm that runs on the Hi-Fi DSPs. It provides such services to take the microphone input, clean up the audio from the environment, and so that the other side only hears clean, rich sounding audio from this end. So it will appear to them as if you're right next to him, instead of being, sounding like you're coming from some far away distance, where the audio is coming from a tunnel or from a very noisy environment. So it really makes the communication very, very clear as well. And then the third one is a partnership between the three companies. We have Fraunhofer, we have Cadence Hi-Fi 5 DSP, and we have Timbrey Labs. So there is a user interface, the GUI, that allows you to create chains of audio very easily with the graphical user interface to connect up audio components as though you're connecting up schematic in a hardware design. So each component there is a particular audio algorithm that you are instantiating on the DSP, and then you chain them together to create the final effect that you want. For example, one block may be the audio capture from the microphone inputs. Another one might be doing some sort of filtering on that to enhance the sound in a particular frequency range, to make up for the listener's lack of or loss of audio, loss of hearing in a particular audio frequency band. And you may also be doing noise reduction at the same time. And finally, you may be outputting it to the speakers with enhanced bass and enhanced equalization, etc. So there, it is very important to have a nice GUI interface that makes it easy to develop these algorithms, connect them up, and then experiment and see what works best for you. Once you have that, you can push the button and deploy the algorithm on the Hi-Fi DSP. So it all works in real time. So this is a nice partnership between Fraunhofer, Cadence, and Timbrey.